Bonde Matram. The topic we are going to discuss this morning is a very touching topic. It is almost a breaking topic. Corona, the spy to a wicked. So, in brief, of course, we are going to discuss on this topic for a quarter an hour discussion on this topic. This great pandemic now we see throughout the world. It is a great obstacle to the human progress. Human at large is under its paws. Now the world is struggling badly how to come out successfully from this ignorant periphery of this pandemic that is Corona. It claims many times people feel this is a almighty one, because initially it is not the first thing that this pandemic came in the world's history. Many times the world has of course fronted so many pandemics, so many obstacles on the way. Anyway, this is also one of them, but thing is that as it is continuing and it is a challenge to the entire humankind at large, so this is the point of discussion, talk of the world right now. Anyway, if Corona is the problem, then spiritualism is the solution. We know Corona is never at all almighty. It is just a spy to a wicked. Spy to a wicked in the sense we can just express the idea that people feel, the world feels it has been created by the Chinese people. Originally, Mother Course Chinese, they have come from the moon. They are actually with the lunar origin. Not on the earth, they came from the moon. So these people, they are trying to create entire disturbance in order to boss over the world. So they are planning to go for the third world war with the bio weapons. This is their planning. So it is true. It is almost true that this virus, coronavirus, people expect it is coming from, it has been emerged from this bats. So, and this was formulated in the Wuhan lab. That viral lab is in the province of China, that is Wuhan. From that lab, it has been emerged, it has come out. So these people were trying to create a disturbance, turmoil throughout the world. And even they were planning to win over the world with this Corona weapon. So we have to go for this topic, of course, in detail. What is there? If the Corona pandemic is the problem, then spiritualism and of course Mother and Sri Aurobindo is the only solution. So we will proceed. Initially, we have made couple of topics on this Corona origin, doctor's view, World Health Organization report and all. Many topics we have prepared in our discussion throughout this couple of months. Right now also, even very recently, we have also prepared some topics in the name of super killer Corona and all. We have seen, this is in the YouTube, of course. Today we will see the solution side, the victory over Corona, what really we have to do. This is the Mother's great view, this Sri Aurobindo quotes, all problems of existence are essentially the problems of harmony. So harmony, disequilibrium as the cause of this major problem the world is facing right now, we have seen. And of course, this is the great debacle and a great challenge to the entire humanity, entire world, so far this entire grown-up, developed world at large. So Mother quotes here very beautifully. It is a question answer Mother has provided. In reality, illness is only a disequilibrium. If then you are able to establish another equilibrium, this equilibrium will disappear. So this is only a disequilibrium creating the lack of equilibrium. It is creating disequilibrium. If some equilibrium can be formulated, established, then this equilibrium definitely will disappear. Then mother course, an illness is simply always in every care, even when the doctor say that there are microbes. So every case, disequilibrium is of the being, disequilibrium among the various functions, disequilibrium among the forces. For this disequilibrium, actually, this has started. And towards the end, mother says actually the resistance was not by as to be used to be habitually, because this was some disequilibrium again in some part, and the functioning was not actually normal in the different parts of the body. For this disequilibrium, it has been originated because we know in the integral healing we have seen the body has two tendencies: certitude of victory and certitude of cure. But actually, instead of doing the trusting upon the antibodies and the trusting but the power of cure and power of victory, we go to medicine, medical person, doctors, and also the problem starts there itself. Anyway, we'll see again mother quotes, but if by an inner power, it is the started, the thing started here. By an inner power, you can establish equilibrium, because in this disequilibrium we have to establish one inner equilibrium, spiritual equilibrium, so that this outer or this superficial disequilibrium in the name of corona, it has to vanish, perish entirely. Then that's the end. There is no more difficulty, and that on this disequilibrium, and it will definitely it will go. About the doctors and their prescription, so many things in many ways, in many formats, in many forms, many angles we have discussed in the initial periods. Here in the of course mother course here, a broad mind, a generous heart, an unflinching will, a quiet, steady determination, and an inexhaustible energy, a total trust in one's mission. This makes a perfect doctor. No need to go to the doctor, because doctor what does? Actually, I just they just treat, but think that the inspiration, everything comes from the divine. So RX, they are putting the RX devoted to God. They also claim just we treat, but curing everything depends upon the divine. So these are the things, everything what have been decided and mentioned. These are the causes they can make the doctor. And anything, if your mother again quotes, if people don't respond, very tragic consequence. Very interestingly, we see if people don't respond to my call, then what happens? That is why this storm has come. This storm we are seeing as storming like anything. It is actually like a tempest here. This storm has come, and just warn them, to show them the insignificance, the futility of material life. For that, we are actually proceeding. Real spiritualism, real spirit is there, the body is there. Inside the body, the indwelling healing healer is there. He is in the passive state, but actually we are not in a position to recognize him. That is the most criteria. And again, it comes actually on beautifully. Sri Aurobindo quotes in, of course, in Savitri, Sri Aurobindo has quoted interestingly. The pain was the firstborn of the inconscience, which was thy body's dumb original base. Pain was the firstborn of the inconscience. Superconscience, at the end, it has become the inconscience. Inconscience, from that inconscience, this void from the inconscience started initially that the pain. This pain is the dumb original base of the body. Body created from pain, pain created from the inconscience. Indirectly, this body has been created from the inconscience. Just imagine. Inconscience, this negation, this darkness, obscurity, grayness, pain. So from that only body started. So they are with the body with a weak base, naturally it is suffering. And again, Sri Aurobindo, it is quoted by Sri Aurobindo, health protected by 20,000 prescriptions, precautions. Health protected by 20,000 precautions is the gospel of the doctors. They keep giving you, prescribing like anything. They give precautions, do this, that, that, like this. But actually, it is not the God's or even evangels or natures. So thing is that we are now prepared what to do. You do take this medicine, take this vaccine. Oxygenation is necessary. Oxygen level is it is coming down, and from the very beginning it has been located as it is not a living organism. It is just a DNA. If coming into the living cells, coming into the living cells and getting activated, it is affecting like anything that we know. So for that, actually, this vaccination we have to use masks, social distancing. Right now, as adding this to these symptoms, we are using that oxygenation because the level of oxygen is coming due to the RNA distortion. For only there is also scarcity of oxygen, people are dying like anything. Oxygen, it is under scarcity, some black marketing, everything. There is a chaos in throughout the world we see. But thing is that the problem we know, these are the thing, we are more concentrating upon the external doctors, but actually we are forgetting that it is not the gods, even the angels or nature's prescription. We have to take care of that one. Again, Sri Aurobindo goes to explain the steps of her illness, what we have to do. First of all, Mother quotes, you must not want it, and nothing can in the body must want it. That illness, you must not expect it. You must not call it. You must not entertain it. You must not keep it in hold of these things. You must not have a very strong will not to be evil. I don't want. If it is coming, you just get out. That is the thing you have to speak. And then this is the first condition. Second condition is to call the light. If it will be disappear, it will be thrown away. Then in place of that vacant place, only the divine light, a light of equilibrium, a light of peace, certitude, and balance, to push it into all the cells of the body. So this insignificance, these will go away. This equilibrium will come, divine light, force, energy, everything will come and fill the place. Because again, and another condition, this is the condition we have to do. Then actually that strong determination, strong will is necessary. This is Sri Aurobindo, as Sri Aurobindo quotes here very beautifully. Then you must rise so much in your consciousness that it dominates the opposition. That is the solution. So it must not disturb you. You must rise above the consciousness. And moreover, people are dying. There is chaos. There is chaotic situation. One must have no will to die, no wish for death. Against your in the community, even if it is coming, not to be afraid of death. Under all circumstances, one must try to go out of it. Against Sri Aurobindo, why this disease and all Sri Aurobindo tries to explain. In the ignorance, destruction is necessary. So already know, almost it is a time. It is coming under the tragic consequence. World has to change because one new creation is awaiting. In ignorance, destruction is necessary for progress. Whenever thou sent a general end, great end, be sure there is a great beginning. This light is the darkest before the dawn. Then again, here in the course, all disease is a means towards some new joy of health. So you have to prepare. This antigens will be, the antibodies will be provided. People will get new gain, and also thing is that we must be patient and we must be ready. To welcome them, we must be conscious. Disease will be always return if to the body if the soul is flawed. So in spiritualism, I have told the solution, soul must be recognized, there must be truth in it, there must be courage in it. Again, here in the course, the sins of the mind is the secret cause of the sin of the body, we have seen. If something wrong happens, then immediately you sit and repeat my name, mother, and you just aspire, you just tell the truth. They are coming, they are here to take care of us. When the danger comes, call the mother. It is the only solution, first thing to be done. Then the general protection will be effective. So there must be a faith in the mother, divine mother. Again will come that trust the divine power and she will free the godlike elements in you. The tragedies of the heart and the body are like the child's cry over their little griefs and the broken toys. So we must be conscious, we must know essentially all problems of existence is essentially the problems of harmony. So we must take precaution, we must be in a position to guard and guide it.